We just crossed that stream. We're trying to find an abandoned train tunnel, and we gotta do a bit of hiking. You guys got it? Oh, jeez.
Okay?
Yeah.
Then walk there. Then you gotta be careful though.
This is not an easy hike so far.
The first book.
Fell. You okay? Are you really stuck?
No, my shoe's stuck. Wow. That was interesting.
Oh god.
Which one are we supposed to go where there's a bunch of holes? Okay, Caleb.
Watch the hole over there.
There might be a hole there.
There is a hole there, so be careful.
Yeah, I wouldn't go that way.
Kaden, can you get his hand?
There's no holes here.
Here?
This is just a little tiny one.
Kenzie, are you tired already? We're not even there yet.
No.
Come on, adventurer, Caleb.
We just climbed off of this rock outcrop and then realized that there was a path right next to it the whole time. So we took the hard way that we did not mean to take. At least we had fun. We're still hiking on this path. We haven't found it yet. I don't know how much more we have to go. I don't know if we're gonna make it before dark. I did bring a light with me, so just in case it's dark, we hopefully will still be able to get a look at this tunnel. We're right next to the highway. Got the girls behind me. So we are definitely not gonna make it before it's dark. It's already getting dark and we're not even there yet. But hey, this is a beautiful walk. It's beautiful here with the fall leaves everywhere. And it's a bit of a long hike, but enjoyable. We hopefully will still be able to see everything. It's gonna be a bit more creepy, but hey, look at that. Well, I don't know what this is here for, but interesting nonetheless. They got Bendy graffitied on here. There it is. I don't think you can see because it's so dark. I'm gonna have to get the light out. Okay, Kaden, shine the light on it so we can see. No, on there. Here, shine up so we can see the whole zombies thing. Ooh, we are at the tunnels. These are the Manunka Chunk tunnels, better known as the zombie tunnels.
Why are they so big?
Oh, they go deep.
Oh no, I don't want to go in the tunnel.
Okay, so we did not make it before it got dark, and we're out here in the dark by these tunnels, and the kids are freaking out because they're seeing bats flying everywhere. So I'm just gonna go check out the tunnels really fast, and then we're gonna head out because we didn't expect to be here this late. The hike was a lot longer than we thought. It's all flooded. Thankfully, I brought boots for this because it's completely flooded. I can't see in there. I don't know if I'm going in too deep because of how dark it is. The kids are heading back. They can't take this. And I'm just gonna check out the tunnel a little bit while they head back. I'll meet you guys back there in a little bit, okay? Oh, this is creepy. Oh, I'm falling over stuff. It says zombies. What the heck? Oh my god, that's not even possible. How is the Terrifier here? What the heck? Oh my god. I gotta get out of here. Oh my god, you guys go. There's a clown. There's a clown. Go. Oh my god. Oh my god. We gotta go. Go, you guys. Go. Where did he go? I don't see him.